Hey guys, it's Kelsey again. I'm going to show you today how to use your Android box a little bit better. Today we're going to be talking about the Kodi app, which is the one that's obviously the most difficult to learn, but also the one that has the most streams. Go ahead, turn on your Android boxes. You should be seeing something like this. I've organized my icons probably a little bit differently than you have, but that's okay. So go ahead, go up to your Kodi app wherever you have it. It's a blue diamond with a white K in the center. Go ahead and click that and you should see something like this. So first question I get asked a lot about is sports, and other than using your Mobdro app and looking at the sports channel on there, we're going to go ahead and show you how to get to some sports in Kodi. So again, I apologize that you're seeing everything backwards on your screen. And don't have a really high tech program here that I'm filming with, so unfortunately this is coming to you from my MacBook. Alright, so using your wireless keyboard remote, go ahead and use the arrows on this side to navigate around. We're going to go to the live stream section right now, and we're going to go down to SportsDevil here. So that blue square, go ahead and click on that. Oh, sorry guys, I just clicked the wrong thing for you. So there we go. Now it's on SportsDevil. Go ahead and give that a click. So here you can see a couple options. Might be a little bit hard for you to read, but the red one says custom modules, then favorites, blogs, highlights, live sports, sports TV, and live TV. Go ahead and navigate down using either your scrolly touchpad or with your arrows, whatever you prefer. We're going to go ahead and go to live sports. And then there's a ton of options again. I went to VIP box, so that's VIPBOX.TV. This one seems to have some good streams in it. So in here you can see every kind of sport basically. They have all categories now playing: American football, boxing, WWE, UFC, football, basketball, ice hockey, baseball, etc. If you go ahead and you can click on one of those, so I'm going to click the ice hockey one. The Stanley Cup playoffs are happening, so hockey seems to be the talk right now. My Chicago Blackhawks are in it. Not to put that in anyone's face, but go Hawks. As you can see here, there's a bunch of different options here. It's telling you what times and days the games are going to be on. So here we have Stanley Cup Final Game 4, Chicago Blackhawks, Tampa Bay Lightning. And yeah, you can go ahead and choose any one of these and watch from here. I'll just go back out so you can see, like I said, this list keeps going. So rugby, golf, cricket, there's basically everything you look for. This is also where you can find some of the UFC fights, which a lot of people ask about, is in this VIPbox.tv stream. So here you go. I just clicked on UFC, and again, there's a bunch of them there. There's UFC Fight Pass events only. Then we have the Ultimate Fighter. We have all these names that I can't read, fighting these other names that I can't read, but there's a bunch of them. So this is where you can watch a lot of sports other than the Mobdro app that I showed you in my last video. I'm going to get out of this one more time and just show you how to get to it. So again, you go to Kodi, scroll over to your live streams, go down to your SportsDevil, give that a click. Wait for your list to pop up and go ahead and click live sports. There's also sports TV in here, which there's a bunch of other different things in here as well. But like I said, the one that I seem to have found that works good for me is just sports TV. Then go ahead and, oh, sorry guys. Click live sports and then click VIP Box TV. So that's one way to go and find some sports programs. There's another one as well that I'm going to show you guys. So just move your bar over until you see down in the bottom here what's called the Phoenix stream. So that's this guy here. It's a red square and it has a phoenix bird obviously in it that's on fire. Go ahead and click that. This new screen will pop up. It's a little different than the other streams. So you're just going to go to the Phoenix TV square. Once you click that, there is Phoenix you can use for a lot of things, but I'm just showing you the sports stuff right now. So you go ahead and click the top one, which is sports. And in here you have live games and events, UK sports, US, Canada sports, international sports, and then Ace Stream and sports replay. If you go to USA, Canada sports, which is probably the stuff that you guys want to be watching, again, all of the different sports networks are here. So we have WWE, NFL Network, ESPN, Fox Sports, the MLB Network, Sportsnet 360, TSN, NFL, there's a bunch of them. So you can go ahead and click one of these guys, and here we'll just click on Fox Sports. And what's playing on Fox Sports right now is what's on our TV. So, sorry that my picture's a little fuzzy. Again, not a great technological setup for you guys to be watching. I'm trying to just pause this so you can hear what I'm saying. When you're in Kodi, sometimes it's a little confusing, but when you stop the stream, it'll keep playing behind it, as you can see. You just use this bar here to navigate to pause things or stop them. So there you go, I just stopped the stream. I know some people sometimes get a little bit confused with that. It'll keep playing and they don't know how to make it be quiet or stop. But yeah, you just use that bar that I just showed you. So that's another way to watch sports other than in the Mobdro streams. The Kodi app has, honestly, a million streams that you can go and watch things on. Those are just two that I've found for sports that seem to have good picture and seem to have lots of options. So once again, in the Kodi thing, you just navigate through, and at the bottom, you're looking for either the SportsDevil blue box or the red and orange Phoenix app box. Both of those have some really good options for them. I think I showed you guys this in my last video, but I'm going to show it to you one more time. Is if you go into live streams here, again on the Kodi, you can go to this Can TV Live. It also appears in a couple other places, but this is how I remember to get to it. So go ahead, click that Can TV Live, and this is where you can watch like your local like news streams and weather network. Sorry again that the picture is not that great for you guys right now, but there you can see CTV, CBC, there's a shopping channel, the weather network's in there. Anyways, that's a little bit more about Kodi. The last one I'm going to show you in Kodi that I use, it's called Genesis. So again, that's the name of the little box in the corner. So we'll just look. So Genesis is actually in movies, and it's in a couple other places. We'll just go to it in here for right now. So Genesis pops up, and here you are. You could see movies, TV shows, channels, My Genesis, latest movies, latest episodes. There is a search button. That's the one I use. It's way easier just to search what you're looking for than to just keep scrolling through a million different movies or shows. So you can actually search by movies, TV shows, people in movies, or people in TV. So the other day my girlfriend was over and we were looking for Chris Rock's stand-up, and we just searched Chris Rock's name in People TV, and it brings up every single thing he's ever been in on television. So it is an awesome search feature. I'll just show you what it kind of looks like. I click TV shows, and you can type in my secret little obsession that I'm sharing with the world right now is I'm watching Pretty Little Liars like I'm a teenager in high school. But let's search that and give it a second. You'll see up top, sometimes it'll say that it's working. It's a blue arrow. That just means it's like looking through its databases and like processing. Just give it a second. There you are, Pretty Little Liars. I click it, and it'll shows you seasons 1 through 6. And when you click on one of those, it actually shows you all the different episodes. And, oh, did I click it? Yeah, there you go. It's working up in the top corner. And there they all are. So what's nice about watching things in Kodi and on this Genesis app is if you click and watch one of the shows, after you're done watching it, it'll put a little check mark next to it. And then you'll know kind of where you left off. I know I always forget sometimes where I am. Netflix is usually really good for that. It starts you right off where you left. So, you know, Genesis app does that as well. That's a little bit more about Kodi today, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to, comment on the video, send me a personal message, get in touch via email or whatever. My first shipment of the 33 boxes that I had is officially gone, so I'm getting another order. If you want a box, let me know, and we'll figure out how to get it to you. Thank you for watching. Get an Android box.